Hey, what's up guys? Today's video, let's learn how we can create a LinkedIn page. So before creating a LinkedIn page, make sure that you have a personal LinkedIn account. Now open your browser and simply type in create LinkedIn page. Select create a LinkedIn page by LinkedIn Help. Now under create a LinkedIn page, select create. Now as I mentioned before, you will be required to get logged into your account. In my case, I'm already logged in. Now select if it's going to be a company or showcase page or educational institution. Let's go ahead with company. Now at this page, simply type in your company's name. I'm going to type in an org. And at the below section, this is how your LinkedIn handle will look like. If you have a website, I would highly recommend you to add some website. And also don't forget to mention the industry type. I'm going to go with IT services and consulting. Now also select the organization size, the number of employees you have in your organization, and your organization type. Once done, if you have a logo, you may go ahead and add it, and you can also see a preview on your right hand side. If you have a tagline, you may go ahead and type it here as well. You can also see an example given here. You can follow this one. Lastly, once you're done, select this box, select create page. And after a couple of seconds, you will see that your LinkedIn page has been created. If you would like to add some more details like your website URL, description, logo, or a cover picture, you can go ahead and add it from here. Thank you for watching.